Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The nawafils, or the optional prayers that are being performed during night time in the month of Ramadan. These are very, very important prayers that we do not have to joke with. We have to take them very serious, because the Prophet Muhammad used to observe that, and he used to do that with his companions and his family members. Listen to the significance of these prayers. It may be the Taraweeh or the Qiyam or the Tahajjud. The Prophet Muhammad said, "Man qama ma'al imami hatta yansarif, kutiba lahu qiyamu layla." Whosoever goes to follow the Imam in observing either the Taraweeh or the Qiyam or the Tahajjud, and he stayed with the Imam until the Imam finishes before he goes, on condition that he did not go before the Imam, but he continued praying with the Imam until when the Imam is finished with the prayers, then that person, kutiba lahu qiyamu layla. It is recorded for that person that he has stood up for the whole night in observing prayers. The reward of observing prayers throughout the night is being recorded for him for just following the Imam to what? To observe these prayers within some few minutes or few hours. So please, let's take this into consideration. When we go to observe Taraweeh prayers, let's stay with the Imam until he finishes before we go. Let's not go and then pray 2 or 4 rak'ahs and then we go away. Even though some pray up to 8, some 10, some 23 and above. They are optional prayers, and what you can do is what you do. But if you go to pray with the Imam, just wait until when the Imam is done with the prayers before you go, so that you will get the reward of somebody who stood up throughout the night to be performing what? Prayers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.